Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English Hour. My name is Dylan.
And I'm Chantel. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. In our podcast, we help you practice English in a fun and easy way. Today, we have a great show for you.
That's right. We are going to listen to a short story. It is a story for beginners, so the English is simple and clear.
Exactly. This is great practice for your listening skills. Just relax and listen. Are you ready, Chantel?
I am ready. Our story today is called The Lost Key.
The Lost Key. It sounds interesting. Before we start the story, let's talk about it a little.
Good idea. The main character in our story is a young woman named Lily.
Lily, okay. And in the story, she loses something. To our listeners, have you ever lost something important?
Like your keys or your phone. It feels terrible, right?
It really does. Well, this story is about that feeling. Before we begin, let's learn a few new words from the story. This will help you understand.
Yes, let's do it. Our first word is market. A market is a place where people buy and sell things, like food.
Right, a market. M-A-R-K-E-T. The next word is worried. Worried is a feeling. It's when you are thinking about problems and you feel sad or afraid.
Worried. W-O-R-R-I-E-D. Another important word is search. To search means to look for something carefully.
Search. S-E-A-R-C-H. For example, I will search for my lost book.
Exactly. And our last word is finally. Finally means after a long time.
Finally. F-I-N-A-L-L-Y. After looking for hours, I finally found my keys. Okay, so our words are market, worried, search, and finally.
Perfect. I think we are ready for the story now. I will read the story. Listen carefully.
Okay, let's begin The Lost Key.
It was a beautiful sunny day. Lily decided to go to the market. The market was busy. People were buying fruits, vegetables, and bread. The air was full of happy sounds and nice smells. Lily loved the market. She walked to a table with red, shiny apples. I will buy some apples, she thought. She put 4 apples in her bag. Then she bought some fresh bread. It smelled so good.
So Lily is at the market on a nice day, buying some food. It sounds like a lovely afternoon.
It was. While she was at the market, Lily saw her friend, Tom. "Hello, Tom," she said with a big smile. "Hello, Lily. How are you?" Tom asked. They talked for a few minutes. They talked about the nice weather and their plans for the weekend. Then Lily said goodbye and walked home.
Right, so she chatted with her friend, a normal day at the market.
Yes. But then Lily arrived at her house. She stood in front of her door. She looked in her bag for her key. She looked and looked, but there was no key. "Oh no," she whispered. "Where is my key?"
Ah, there it is. The problem begins. That is a terrible feeling, standing at your door with no key.
It is. Lily started to feel worried. She checked her pockets. First, her right pocket. Nothing. Then her left pocket. Nothing. Just a small coin. She opened her bag again. She took everything out. Apples, bread, her wallet, but no key. Her heart started to beat fast.
She's starting to panic a little. I understand that feeling very well.
What should I do? She thought. I must find my key. She decided to go back to the market. Maybe my key is on the ground, she thought. So she started to walk back. She walked slowly this time. She looked at the street very carefully. She searched everywhere with her eyes.
That's a good plan. Retrace your steps. Go back the way you came.
Yes, she walked and walked, but she did not see her key. Soon she was at the market again. The market was still busy. Lily went to the table with the apples. She talked to the man who sold the fruit. "Excuse me," she said. "Did you see a small silver key?" The man thought for a moment. "No," he said. "I am sorry. I did not see a key."
Okay, so the fruit seller didn't see it. Her worried feeling is probably getting stronger.
It was. Lily felt sad. She looked around the market. Then she saw Tom again. He was buying some flowers. Lily ran to him. "Tom, I have a problem," she said. "What is it, Lily? What's wrong?" Tom asked. He could see she was worried. "I lost my house key," she said. "I cannot find it anywhere."
Ah, her friend Tom. Maybe he can help.
Tom listened carefully. "Your key," he said slowly. "Where did you see it last?" Lily tried to remember. I don't know, she said. I think it was in my bag. Tom was quiet for a moment. He was thinking. Then his eyes opened wide. I remember something, he said.
Oh, this is a good sign. What does he remember?
What? What do you remember? Lily asked. When we were talking, Tom explained, you were at the apple table. You took out your wallet to pay. Your key was in your hand. I think you put your key on the table.
On the table, of course. It's so easy to put something down and forget it when you were talking.
Exactly. Lily and Tom hurried back to the apple table. They looked on the table, behind the apples, and there it was, Lily's small silver key. My key, Lily shouted with joy. She picked it up. She was so happy. Oh, Tom, thank you, thank you.
Whew, that's a relief. It's so good she found it, and lucky her friend Tom has a good memory.
Very lucky. Lily held her key tightly in her hand. She said goodbye to Tom again. This time, she was smiling. She walked home quickly. She arrived at her door, put the key in the lock, and turned it. The door opened. Click. Finally, she was home. She felt safe and very, very happy.
And that is the end of the story. A happy ending. Thank you, Chantel. That was a great story.
You're welcome. I hope our listeners enjoyed it. Now, let's talk about the story.
Yes, let's check our understanding. I will ask some questions, and we can answer them together. Listeners, you can try to answer too. Question 1. Where did Lily go at the beginning of the story?
That's an easy one to start. She went to the market.
Right, the market. What did she buy at the market?
She bought some apples and some fresh bread.
Correct. Okay, question 3 is about the main problem. What did Lily lose?
She lost her house key, her small silver house key.
Yes, and how did she feel when she realized her key was lost?
She felt worried. The story said her heart started to beat fast.
That's right, she was worried. So what did she do to find the key?
First, she searched in her bag and her pockets. Then she went back to the market to look for it.
And who helped her find the key?
Her friend Tom helped her.
He did. And this is the most important question. Where was the key?
The key was on the table at the market, the table with the apples. She left it there when she was paying.
Exactly. And the final question, how did Lily feel at the end of the story?
She felt safe and very happy. She was relieved.
Great job. That's a good summary of the story. It shows that asking for help is important, and friends can be very helpful.
It does. And it also shows that it's normal to forget things sometimes, but it is important to stay calm and think.
That's a very good point. Now, to finish up, let's review the vocabulary words we learned at the beginning.
Okay, the first word was market. Can you use market in a new sentence, Dylan?
Sure. On Saturday, I am going to the market to buy some flowers.
Nice. The next word was worried. I was worried when I couldn't find my cat this morning.
Oh no, did you find her?
Yes, she was sleeping under the bed.
Good. Okay, the next word is search. My sentence is, he will search the internet for information about his trip.
A very useful sentence. And the last word was finally. My sentence, the bus was late, but we finally arrived at the museum.
Excellent. So that's market, worried, search, and finally. Great job, everyone.
That brings us to the end of our show for today. We hope you enjoyed the story and our discussion.
Remember, listening to stories is a fantastic way to improve your English. Thank you so much for joining us on the English Hour.
Keep practicing, and we will see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.